Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR cache miss in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So first of all, if Chrome is open and you encounter this issue, simply close Chrome and reopen it. Okay, this usually helps, but if it doesn't, then you can try clearing the cache and cookie. So open Google Chrome and then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select history and click on history once again. Wait, and then select delete browsing data. Change the time range to all time, select delete data. The next one is to disable the extensions. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and click on manage extensions. If you see any extension here, try disabling it and check if it helps with the error. If it does, then you can permanently remove that extension. The last solution will be to reset Chrome. And how would you do that? Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. Okay, now go to the reset settings tab on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to the original defaults and then reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.